What are you doing, buddy? Are you looking for Daddy? Where is Daddy? Bailey, you waiting for Daddy too? Oh, I'm sure that felt really good in Jackson's ear, Bailey. Thanks. Did Bailey just bark in your ear? Jackson, say, that hurt my ear. That hurt your ear. You crazy. Jackson, say, Bailey, you're crazy. Say, Bailey, you're crazy. Yeah, so I'm going to throw you out the window. You see that truck? Where's the truck? Truck? Don't eat that. Yucky. Take it out. That's yucky, Jackson. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?